Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again you all welcome back in GK video. So children, in GK video today you all are going to read the new chapter. So with hope you all will watch this video till end. Yes children, today you all are going to read the new chapter. Chapter is here. Yes, chapter 22. Chapter 22. Okay, and the name of the chapter is here what? The things that go together. Yes, the name of the chapter is here, chapter 22, and the name of the chapter is things that go together, and it is in what? Page number 29. So everyone just listen very carefully children. Okay, so what? Many things form a pair and they generally go together. So first, before children, you all are going to read about the pair of words, or you can say twin words. Okay, so now what are word pairs children? The naming words which are used together, okay, are called pair. Yes, are called word pairs. Yes children, these words it always go together. Okay, like you can see, but before giving that example children, something I would like to ask, like question is here children. Just tell me children, will you like to eat bread without butter? You just tell me children. So answer is what? Yes. What? No, you will not like. Yes children, you will not like bread without butter. Yes, you will not like to eat bread without butter. So what? You need with bread butter. Without butter you will not eat the bread. Okay children, so bread and butter are what? Pairing words. Now one more question children, do you wear only shoes when you go to school? Only shoes, not socks. You just tell me. The answer is no, we will not wear both. Okay, we will not wear both shoes and socks when you go to school. So we need both. It means we need socks as well as we need shoes also. Okay children, so in this video you all will read the pairing words, or you can say twin words. And what are pairing words children? Yeah, the naming words which are always go together, which are used together, are called what? Words pair, or you can say twin words. Like you can see children, right now I have spoken the example bread and butter. Without butter we cannot eat bread. Lock and key, without key we cannot use lock when we go out from our house. So let's see some more example with the help of pictures. Here I will try to explain this. Yes children, like you can see, this is the picture of lock, and yes, lock with we use key. Yes, with this is the picture of key, and this is lock. Without what? Lock and key are pairing word, and without key we cannot use the lock, and we cannot lock our house. So we need key also. So lock and key are pairing words. Now see, like same socks and shoes. Yes children, socks and shoes. What? Without socks we cannot wear shoes when we go out from our what house, or when we go to school. Okay children, so shoes and socks are pairing words. Shoes and socks or what? Pairing words. Understood children? Now after that, table and chair children, when you study, yes, we should always study on table and chair. But do you? Yes, we should always study on table and chair. It keeps our what? Back straight. Okay, but if you have only table and you have not chair, so can you study on table? No. So what do we need? We need chair. So table and chair are pairing words, or you can say twin words. It always go together. Understood children? So table and chair are pairing words. Now after that, needle and thread children, at home your mother uses what? At home your mother uses thread and needle. It means what? She stitches the cloths. Okay, but without if you have only needle and you don't have thread, can your mother stitch the cloth? No. So we need what? Needle and thread when we stitch our cloth. So what? Needle and threads are pairing word. Needle and thread are pairing word. Yes. Now after that children, pencil and eraser. Pencil and eraser. Pencil, pencil and eraser. Yes children, when we write and when we do mistake without eraser we cannot rub, and if you want to improve your handwriting, not only you just use pencil, you should also use eraser. So eraser and pencil are pairing word. It always go together. Understood? Now bee and honey. Yes, what honey? We get honey from what? Tell me children. Honey gives honey which flavor is sweet, and bee and honey. Okay children, so bee and honey are also pairing word. Okay, so what also not? Children, already you all know what? We get honey from honeybees. Okay, so honeybees are what? Honeybees also make wax. And children, so bee and honey we are pairing word. Okay children, now after that, butterfly and flower. If you will see the flower children, there you all will see the butterfly. Okay children, so what? Butterfly sucks the flower or sucks the nectar of flower. So butterfly and flower are pairing word. Okay, butterfly and flower are pairing word. Now hammer and nail. Okay, without hammer we cannot use nail. So and with if we have only hammer, so we cannot kill the nail. Okay, so what? We cannot pull the nail. So between hammer and nail are what? Pairing word. HAMMER, hammer and nail. Hammer and nail are pairing word. Now cup and saucer. Cup and saucer are also pairing word. Okay children, if we use only cup, so it can be by mistake, tea can be fall down. So we should use cup with saucer, or you can say plate. So cup and saucer are pairing word. Okay children, so now next happen spoon and fork. Spoon and fork are also pairing word. Okay, spoon and fork are pairing word. So now after children, you all are going to do. So hope you all have understood what I have spoken about the pairing word. The name some words which are always go together, like bread and butter, cup and saucer, hammer and nail. So these words are called pairing word. They always go together. Now children, you all will do the work related to this chapter. So you all have to fill the blank space by using pairing words and of the given word in the bracket. Okay children, so let's start. So see what you all will do. Right, first question, first one is here. The children are playing hide and dash. So hide and seek. Yes, children like to play hide and seek. So there you all will fill seek, SEEK, seek. Okay children are playing hide and seek. Now we wear dash when we go to school. We wear dash and socks. So right now I have before spoken children. Yes, we wear shoes and socks. Without shoes we cannot wear socks only, and without socks we cannot wear shoe. So shoes, there you will fill shoes, SHO. What is the spelling of shoes, my dear? SHOES. I am writing here SHO, SHOES. So we wear shoes and socks when we go to school. Now third number, I do not like to eat bread without. Yes, right now I have spoken, children. Yes, we do not like to eat bread without butter. So bread and butter, there you will fill butter, BUTTER, butter. Bread and butter are pairing word. Okay everyone, now see, move to the next one children. 4 number, children should use pencil with. Yes, for better handwriting, children should use pencil with eraser. So there you will write eraser, ERASER, eraser in 4 number you will fill. Okay, now move to the next 5 number children. See, our mothers use needle and dash to stitch buttons of our shirt. Children, what? Needle pairing word. Yes, with needle we use mother use thread, THREAD. Our mothers use needle and thread to stitch button of our shirt. So what? needle and thread are needle and thread. There you all will fill thread, thread. Thread are pairing words. Now you need chair along with dash when you study on it. Yes children, so chair and table, it help to keep our body backside straight. Okay children, so there you will have chair and table, table, table. You need chair along with the table when you study on it. Now 7 number, don't worry, do not worry about your jewelry. Okay, you not need to worry. Why? Because they are safe under dash and key. You suppose children you have only key, so without lock can you lock the can you save your jewelry? No. So there you will write lock. So lock and key are pairing word. You don't worry about your jewelry, they are safe under lock and key. Understood? Now 8 number, children are playing cricket with bat and ball, with bat and ball. So there you all will write ball. Bat without ball we cannot play with only ball. Without bat we cannot play with only ball, and without ball we cannot play with only bat. So bat and ball are pairing word. Bat and ball are pairing word. Now after that we should clean our hands with dash and water. So yes children, we should clean our hand with soap, SOAP, soap and water. Okay children, so hope you all have understood nicely. So at home first read the chapter nicely, okay, and then after you just complete these work in your copy. Okay children, so for today once again I would like to say you thank you at last children, and thank you for watching this video till end. So bye bye and have a good day everyone.